Some fun facts about me are I actually work on cars, and basically I just run a clothing line. There's not really much. Hi, my name is Gabriel Dominguez II. I'm a foundation repair specialist. So my day-to-day is I wake up in the morning, shower, do all the regular things, I guess you could say. Go to the shop, figure out what crew I'm in, whether that be poly, concrete, helicals, anything, just so I know what I'm doing for the day. The main problems I help customers with is being able to give them insurance of what we're doing, how we're going to do it, and if we run into any issues, then we'll be sure to address them about it. Yes, I love my job. It's brought me into an environment that I never thought I'd be in. When I started into food, retail, and now construction, it's a different world. So yes, I do love my job, and I do thank Dalinghaus for being able to give me this experience and opportunity. The most fulfilling part of my work is being able to see the end project of actually any project in general, whether that be we're pouring concrete, shooting poly, or lifting a slab, or even if it's like out here where we're doing helicals. It's being able to see the project from start to finish, from where we were to where we are. The most important thing a customer experiences with me is honesty and reassurance, whether that be if we're trying to lift a slab, creating concrete for the first time, or laying concrete for the first time, or stabilizing a house. For fun, I like running my clothing line. So with my family, I mainly am with my aunt, who's 25, I'm 22. So we get along very well, and I'm mainly with her on the weekends, or I'll be down in Vista, California, which is actually where I'm from, hanging out with some old friends from childhood.